What's going on, guys? Dave with Exhibition Georgia. Today we're going to install a roof transport system on this 2018 Porsche Macan. As you can see, Porsche has included this segmented carry bag for the crossbars so you can take them with you. Also a tool and a key system. Inside the included segmented bag, you have two crossbars, keys, a tool, and some stripping for along the top. Because the Macan tapers off, the rear bar is shorter than the front bar. First thing we're going to do, we're going to unlock the side, use the tool that was included to loosen the bolt, which then loosens the clamp. Next thing we have to do is install it on the vehicle. This one's the shorter one, so we'll install that in the rear, as the rear is narrower than the front. They include this long hex tool because of the awkward angle when tightening the clamps. They've included one key for the passenger side and one key for the driver's side. Once you get them installed, make sure you give it the wiggle test to make sure they aren't going anywhere. The roof transport system is now installed and you're ready to mount your favorite bikes, kayaks, or anything else you want.